Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. Hope you guys are all doing well. As you can see, I have my cup full of this gorgeous velvet trim that I got from globleland. Last time I had shown you how to use their specimen card metal die, so if you'd like to check it out, I'll put it at the end of this video. Today I'm going to show you some easy ways on how to use these gorgeous trims as little accent pieces to some of your crafty projects. Let's start off with DIY cards. Now, I'm not big on making handmade cards, but these trims make it so easy and it's fun. As you can see in the title, they're punny cards. So here's the first one. Just added that pink trim in the background. It beautifully complemented the card and our little sentiment here. I thought it was super cute. Now here's one with the blue. We have a different orientation. It says hooked on you. And then here's another one. And I think these embellishments came from K and Company, if I'm not mistaken. But how pretty is that brown color? I love that it came with a variety of colors. And there's, I think, 30 of them in that pack. So much to choose from. And here's the final card. And you can see it just makes it pop. Isn't that pretty? So we have that. The next crafty project that you can add it to, and these are popular right now with our junk journal making, is our tassels. And so here I have little spool. You can see I have wooden spools. And what I did was add some of that lace trim and then wrapped some of that gorgeous yellow trim and also added the yellow velvet trim to the mix of our beautiful bulky little tassel here. So I thought it was super cute. How fun is that? So the next one I'm going to show you is just to create a pocket and using some of these beautiful trims again to just add some beautiful detail to your junk journal pockets. I have a 12 by 12 sheet here. We're going to make it into a fun pocket for our journal. So I want these two to overlap so I can seal it. And I love this paper. This is from Stamperia. The reason I love it is it's double-sided. Look at the beautiful patterns on there. So what we're doing now, you can see the palette is a brown. So we want to add some color there. And that's where our beautiful velvet trims come in to play. So just like that. And then I'm just going to fold it up here. And then I think I'm going to go this way. So this is a pretty large, so you can also make this into an envelope for your Happy Mail. And I'm trying to see how I want this piece to stick. Then I may just fold it like this, possibly. And then add a little double-sided tape there. Again, this is just making a simple envelope fold without having your envelope maker. You can also use calendar pages, book pages to make this. Let's just see if I can pull this sticky. And then I'm going to add some trim here and a little bit more of our detail there. It also makes a beautiful holder for your letters. I have one on my wall in my craft space and I just love it. So let me add some double-sided tape on top here. I mean, there are so many ways that you can use this on your project. And again, the colors are just gorgeous. I love it. Put one more here and we will stick that down. And as always, I'll be linking the links to this particular product in the description box, and I have a special code for you if you'd like to use it. You get 10% off your whole purchase, and they have a lot of clearance items too, and they have wonderful, really affordable craft goodies that I think you guys will enjoy. So we have that. Now let's add some of this gorgeous trim here, and I'm thinking I will have them again overlap. Let me get some fabric glue on there, and then we're going to add some of that gorgeous trim. Trying to decide, I'm looking at the colors here and trying to decide which one. I think I might go with some green velvet. Put some glue here, probably up to this part, and then I will trim it. Kind of just let that overlap a little bit and trim that. And we'll go on this side. And we'll go like that. So our Hobby Lobby sadly closed and moved 2 cities away from where the location used to be. So I'm really sad because I love, this is the trim I had rebought and bought there over and over again. But I think it's so beautiful, and it'll complement this gorgeous velvet trim. So let's just quickly cut this. And now let's pick which green will we go with. We have a couple of the greens, so you can see how pretty that is. Should we go light or dark? I'm gonna go dark just because my cameo, which I will be attaching here, I think will look better with a darker color. So this is what this replica cameo looks like. You see some of the browns and then our light kind of jade green there. And I think this will look perfect there. Let's just trim this here real quick. And then I'll put some of my fabric glue. Comment down below. Let me know too what other ideas you might have on how you use your trim. This is how I use them. Just some quick, easy ways. I would love to hear how you use it in your projects, but it is just gorgeous. Excuse the glue part there. I'm gonna put it here. This always happens when the glue gets low. Okay, so I have attached it there and my camera just turned off. And what I've done now is gotten some trim. I've attached my cameo on it, and then I am glue it on there as our little centerpiece, and we'll have a closer look at what that looks like. Put it on top. And we'll just let it set, but just to show you how pretty that is and how it complements our beautiful envelope. Here is a closer look at what that looks like. Isn't that pretty? Real quick, you created an accent breaking down some of the colors by adding some of that trim. I love it. You can use this as a little wall pocket if you would like. Put a little tack there and have it hold your postcards or incoming mail. And if you have a large journal cover, you can use it as a pocket on the front cover. It makes a beautiful focal point on your cover. And then you can also, speaking of pockets, here's another example of how I simply used it across this little paper bag pocket, added a few of those beautiful little stickers, and immediately just adds little extra detail to your crafty projects. Here is our little tassel where we use some of that beautiful yellow, and you got our punny cards with our little accents there, so you can put that there in your pocket. I hope you guys enjoyed some of these quick makes and using again this gorgeous bundle of our velvet trims as little accent pieces on your crafty projects. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.